Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Device Rank, your go-to source for in-depth, no-bias smartphone reviews. Today, we're covering everything you need to know about the Poco X8 Pro, also known in some markets as the Redmi Turbo 5, is shaping up to be a major mid-range disruptor, featuring a stunning 1.5K OLED display, flagship-grade camera hardware, and long-lasting battery life. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any future comparisons and reviews. General overview. According to leaks on Gadget News, the Poco X8 Pro is positioned well above typical mid-range devices. It's based on the Redmi Note 15 Pro platform, but with major upgrades in performance, battery, and design. The phone features a full metal frame with refined angular lines, giving it a flagship feel right out of the box. This is far more than just a rebranded device. Performance. While not officially confirmed yet, most leaks point to the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset, built on a 4nm process. That means excellent efficiency, reduced heat, and top-tier performance for the price segment. It's backed by a powerful GPU capable of running modern games like Genshin Impact or PUBG Mobile at high settings and stable frame rates. Multitasking. Zero lag. Gaming. Smooth as butter. Camera system. The Poco X8 Pro is expected to feature a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2-megapixel macro sensor for close-up shots. This setup ensures solid detail, dynamic range, and sharp night photography. For selfies, there's likely a 16MP front camera with support for HDR and 1080p at 60 frames per second. Mobile phone display. This is one of the most impressive aspects of the X8 Pro. You get a 6.67-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 2712 by 1220 pixels. That's 1.5K. 120Hz refresh rate, 2400 nits of peak brightness, support for Dolby Vision, and HDR10+, and 12-bit color depth for stunning visuals. On top of that, it offers a 2160 Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring lightning-fast responsiveness, ideal for gamers and content creators alike. Battery. Now let's talk about power. Leaks suggest a massive battery, between 6550 and 7000 mAh, one of the biggest ever in this price range. And with 80W to 90W fast charging, a full top-up should take under 40 minutes. Expect 1.5 to 2 days of battery life, even with heavy daily use. Connectivity and sensors. As for connectivity, Here's what you can expect. Dual SIM 5 GWI, V6 Bluetooth 5.3 NFC USB-C port and potentially a 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, it's still alive. In terms of sensors, you'll likely get an in-display fingerprint scanner, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and ambient light sensor, all essential for a modern user experience. Benchmarks and estimated scores. While not yet officially published, estimates based on comparable devices suggest Geekbench 6, around 2177 single-core, 8051 multicore Antutu V10, up to 2.3 million points display rating, over 92 points camera score, between 95 and 97 battery score, close to 96. These numbers put it in direct competition with higher-tier phones, at a much lower price. Price and final verdict. The expected price of the Poco X8 Pro is between $300 to $350, depending on region and RAM storage configuration. For that price, you get flagship-like specs in a phone that excels in performance, display, battery, and design. So, what do you think? Would you replace your flagship with a power-packed mid-ranger like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Device Rank, and hit the bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. This is Device Rank, signing off.